So it looks like my Screencast-O-Matic, my time ran out on that last one. So what I was talking about was the realistic fiction, and like so stories like Harry Potter would not fall into this category, you know, because realistic fiction are things that actually could have happened. So when we're getting into realistic fiction, I want you to think about, you know, our book, Because of Mr. Turrup, and see how you're feeling about that with that realistic fiction. So for your assignment this week, we are having just a discussion on Chapter 6 of your book. So Chapter 6 of your Reading Children's Literature book. And what we're going to be doing is I want you to kind of tell me, what did you glean from Chapter 6? Like, what did you learn? What surprised you? Did anything jump out to you? At the end of Chapter 6, they do have a section on the book Holes, if you're ever familiar with that. Stanley Yelnats. That was a fantastic book, and it's a great movie too, but the book was, I felt, was even better. So take a look at that and see how that fit in with the adventure part of, you know, the adventure fiction, and see if that's something that you'd be interested in teaching that in your classroom as well. So for your discussion, answer the question, what did you glean from Chapter 6? What did you learn? What surprised you? And then maybe even, what do you still have questions about? Like I said, this chapter is probably not the most exciting chapter to read, but it is beneficial because if you know where your books are coming from and you understand kind of the background of them, it'll be easier for you to teach any type of book that you're jumping into in your classroom. All right, so that's all I have for this week. I see the picture in my recording isn't coming up, so maybe you don't get to see me at this last minute here. So I apologize for it being 2 videos instead of 1, but that's kind of the way technology works sometimes. Please, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out. Thanks for all the emails. Thanks for the videos. I really do appreciate those. And I see that we've got kind of like a slower week, which is fine, because in that way you can kind of catch up on your reading. All right. Have a great week. See you guys.